Hi, girls. Hi.
Hi.
We're shooting a magic show here at the moment. I'm sorry to interrupt your pictures and stuff, but I'm going to show you a cool trick. Is that okay?
Yeah.
We've got cameras everywhere. We've got a drone up there that you can see. We can wave to the drone. Hi, drone. I've been working on this trick. It's a pretty amazing trick, but I need to borrow someone's phone if I can. Have you got a phone I can borrow just for a second?
Yep.
All right, just hold it like this. This is what we're going to do. Just hold it like this just for a moment. Very cool. What I want to do is make your phone vanish using this magic hanky. It's a very special magic hanky, okay? Now, you're not going to believe your eyes for a second. Then it's going to appear in my pocket, okay? You ready for this?
Okay.
Here we go. Watch closely. 1, 2. I'll let it go.
Is it meant to do this? Is it really?
The good thing is though, is that it's a magic hanky, and the magic hanky is worth $1,000. So, thank you. The other good thing is this: remember I said it would appear inside my pocket? Can you see that there?
Yeah.
What does it look like? Not just any phone, but my phone. Just left me hanging there. But the good thing is my phone still works. So what's your phone number?
087 88.
88.
Yeah.
It's a lot of numbers. Let's see if this works. I don't know if I can hear it ringing in the ocean. I can see it. Yeah, there it is. I can see it coming. Can you hear it ringing?
This is a joke!
Let's have a look at this. Just watch out for a moment. Yes. You'll notice something very odd. Make sure that that's yours there. Open it up.
Yeah.
We did it! High fives all around! Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Enjoy and don't give your phone to any magicians ever.
I honestly thought that was gone. I seen it go into the ocean. He took my phone and he put it in the handkerchief, and I see it fall out of the handkerchief. Go over there. When he was like, I let go, I was like, is he serious?
meant to
I was like,
happen?
yeah, it was just part of the joke. I literally see it go over the cliff.
It was mind-blowing.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Out of this world, like seriously, I can't believe it.